In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then you need to tap on keyboard and input method, manage keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, tap on text correction and using this switcher next to show suggestion strip, switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!